calling this the Temptation Vacation. That's a pretty good vacation. The Temptation Vacation. You take your puller tractors, you hit the road for a few days. Humming the heights pretty good. He never quite got the traction. Yeah, we give it a good run. 290. All right, Bobby Jones on the Pleasant Hill, Illinois. That's down south quite a bit. Oh, we got our 50-50 raffles them all up, giving them a bath. Here we go, Bobby Jones. Oh no, that's disaster. Disaster for Bobby Jones. There's aluminum parts all over the track. And here comes a couple gallons of oil out of the oil pan. Oh no, he just destroyed. Thanks Brian and our IT guys, our camera crew for being able to get that shot of that bushel basket full of parts to put up on the Jumbotron for everybody to kind of take a look at. That's what I like. All right, this is Scott Whitworth, Worthington, Missouri, the Nano yield. The Temptation Vacation, leading this thing, 314, 2 tractors to go. This is going to be David Eastham out of Franklin, Indiana. John Deere, David Eastham, $8. Started nosing over, and boy, he comes rolling to a stop with a lot of blow-by coming out the bottom. Good